Hey, hopefully this will work on 5G. Hey, I am over at my listing at 5613 Southeast Knapp. It's a newer construction house built in 2017. Really great location. I'm going to go out and show the neighborhood in a second. Really cool house, $549,000. I'm going to flip this around. I'm going to try to flip this around. There we go. And let's go check out the neighborhood, 5613 Southeast Knapp. So there's a ton of new construction that's been infilled into this neighborhood. And, you know, the last, hey, look, Amanda Bishop, co-listing agent. Way to go, Amanda. Go straight down to 52nd down here. That leads you right into Woodstock. There's a nice grocery outlet over there too. Check out the contemporary flavor. It's not the only house over here too. This was a really nice development, 2017. Lots of new construction on the street. It's changed the whole neighborhood. Heading west, you go right down, you know, Eastmoreland Heights, and then right into Eastmoreland, right down there. You can kind of see, well, I guess you can't see some of the new construction. So what's cool about this house too is you're on a 25 by 125 foot deep lot, attached garage, lots of off-street parking, and these, you know, skinny homes is what a lot of people call them. That's what I call them. They don't always have this level of detail. Really nice oak floors. It's an engineered floor, but you can see as soon as you walk in, you have lots of details. You have the walnut cabinetry, quartz counters. It's like a Carrara marble backsplash. It's not Carrara. Look, they built the mirror frame right into the wall. So that's the powder room on the main. And then you have an open handrail. A lot of really nice touches. And check out the cabinetry. It's really pretty. You have a glass tile backsplash, quartz counters, black walnut cabinetry, really cool hardware. You got the soft close. That wasn't very soft. Isn't that cool? Oops. Nice island with the sink, tons of light. Great room. You have this formal dining area right off the kitchen. Stainless steel appliances, glass cooking, or gas cooking. Did I say gas cooking? That's weird. I don't even know what that means. This is a really nice example too, because this type of housing gets pretty dense. And when you put these higher windows in, you get tons of light, still get privacy, and then you have nice furniture walls. Built-ins are great. This is a really nice touch too, having these windows on both sides of the door. But usually these homes, their backyards literally end right at the patio. Like right here. But with the extra deep lot, you have all this extra space. Nice little plants. It's all mulched, low maintenance. This is a good quality home. That's a really great idea right there. Oh, Let's look down the side. See, nice side yard. That'd be a perfect dog run on that side. You have a place to put your garbage cans. Oh, look, there's AC down there. So that's east, that's north, and that's west. My wife just called. I had to decline her. Man, that's a good looking kitchen. Open handrail. Oh, we can peek in the attached garage too. That got blurry. Gas water heater, high efficiency furnace with AC, electric garage door opener. You have the upgraded garage door. This would be a perfect little home gym. There's really nothing to do here. I think moving in is going to be the hardest thing. So I'm at 5613 Southeast Knapp, 549,000. We're going to go upstairs. Nice wide stairway. Oh boy, it got quiet, didn't it? Then we have 2 bedroom wings. Got the high windows again. You got the master on that side. There's your attic access. Look at that nice landing with the window. We'll come down here first. I just love how they did the windows here. It's really smart. So here's one of your bedrooms. Little bulkhead. Nice closet. And then check out the bathroom. Isn't that great? Floating cabinet, black walnut, double sinks. They use that Carrara marble, built-in mirror. Good realtor would have turned the light on. Nice neutral colors. This place is impeccable too. The condition is excellent. You got another bedroom. So you have 4 bedrooms, 2 baths up. And they have these really nice architectural doors. You can kind of see the little detail right there. And you have nice sized moldings. It's a good quality build. And then you have the 4th bedroom in the back. Sliding closet doors. There's a view of the patio. God, the yards are huge out here. Hey, look, they have kids. Nice raised planter bed. That's a cute yard. This house still has a new house smell. This client bought the house when their child went to Reed for 4 years, and he graduated, and he had tenants in place, and he got free housing. It's a really smart way of doing it. Look at the Carrara full glass enclosure. It's really nice. Walk-in closet. Boom. Whoa. Uh-oh. Sorry. Camera got crazy. Take a look at this again. Man, they did a... And the other thing, look. This is a mud set shower pan. It's not a fiberglass shower pan. That's really expensive. They did the nice herringbone pattern. And then you have the running bond pattern on the floors with the Carrara. You have the floating cabinet. Gimbal went crazy. And then out to the master. Really nice size master. Easily could support a king size bed right there. Another expensive upgrade. All the windows have those low profile blackout shades. This is a great house. All right, that's my tour. 5613 Southeast Knapp. Hope you liked it. Thanks for watching.